Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a wash day using my products that I made myself. This usually takes me about 20 minutes to do, and I started by doing my hair in the shower, but I'm starting with the old wash and go, and I'm just wetting my hair and dividing it up into sections just to make the process go a little faster. Um, so this is my shampoo. It's made from African black soap. It is moisturizing, and I'm able to like lightly figure detangle with it. Sorry, the lens of the camera kept getting extremely fogged up, and I had to keep wiping it. So as you can see, I can lightly finger detangle. My curls are really getting defined, but I'm really more so focusing on my scalp for any product buildup, just to get that removed from my scalp. And then I'm just going to repeat this process on all the sections of my hair. Just wetting my hair, applying the shampoo to my scalp first and working it down my hair. If I feel like the ends of my hair aren't as soapy as I like, then I'll add some more, but I usually use a very generous amount of shampoo just to make the process go a little bit faster and just to have enough slip to do some detangling.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding.
So I don't know if anybody else does it. When I get shed hair, I kind of attach it to the shower wall. But after I'm finished washing all sections, I rinse it out one half of my head at a time, just making sure I rinse out all the shampoo, and then we're gonna move on to the deep conditioner. Okay, so I'm going to separate just back into the sections, and then the deep conditioner I'm using is a strengthening mask that I made as well. It is really thick, but as soon as it applies to your hair just automatically absorbs it. My curls really love this conditioner. You can see they're starting to become really defined. I make sure I really work it into my strands before I bring out my detangling brush. And as you see, I literally detangled that in no time. It was really easy. And it has amazing slip. And then my curls are popping. So I'm just going to repeat this all over my head, just like I would with the shampoo. Wet my hair, add the product, just make sure it's evenly distributed through the product. And then I'll detangle my hair with the brush and then move on to the next section.
Multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a. Then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues.
Okay, now I'm finished with it, and I just took a shower really quick to let it sit and steam. So I'm just rinsing the conditioner out my hair and just making sure I rinse it thoroughly. And then as you can see, my curls are popping, and my camera decided to die, so I'm going to end this video here. Stay tuned for the styling portion, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.